Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to easily find the ID of a message on Discord with the most up-to-date method. Whether you're a server owner, moderator, or just someone wanting to copy a message ID for troubleshooting or bot commands, the process is quick and simple. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile picture, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings, where we'll need to make a quick adjustment before you can access message IDs. Next, scroll down through the settings until you reach the App Settings section. In that section, find and tap on Advanced. Inside the Advanced settings, you'll see an option called Developer Mode. By default, this setting is turned off, but it's the key to unlocking those hidden IDs. Go ahead and toggle Developer Mode on. This only takes a second, and it won't affect your normal use of Discord. It simply gives you access to some extra tools. Now that developer mode is enabled, you can go back into the chat where the message is located. Find the message you want the ID for, then press and hold on it. A menu will pop up with different options depending on the type of message. In this menu, you'll now see the option labeled Copy ID. Simply tap that, and the message ID will instantly be copied to your clipboard. That's it. You've successfully copied a message ID in Discord. From here, you can paste it wherever you need, whether that's sending it to a bot for commands, reporting an issue, or just keeping it for your own records. To quickly recap, open Discord, go to Settings by tapping your profile, head into Advanced under App Settings, turn on Developer Mode, then long press any message and hit Copy ID. Once you've done this once, it'll be second nature. So now you know exactly how to find message IDs on Discord with the most updated steps. If you work with bots, manage communities, or need IDs for reports, this is a super handy feature to keep in mind.